Social offers. A great alternative to Groupon or other coupon offers.
Social offers is a Facebook coupon. It shows up in your Facebook feed. And of course the feed of your friends and followers.
The customer fills out the coupon and clicks Get My Coupon. You now have a copy of their name, email, and phone number. You do not get a written copy of their information with any other coupon service like Groupon.
When they press Get My Coupon, they get an email with a link to their coupon. The coupon then shows up as an email on their phone.
The customer goes to pay the cashier. They show the cashier the coupon on the phone. The cashier pushes the button that says, Mark as redeemed. The customer pays the discount amount on the phone. The customer pays the discount amount and the button changes to say, Mark as redeemed. Your store gets paid immediately and will receive the customer's name, phone, email. You can send the customer additional coupons and discounts directly to their phone or email.
Remember, you get a list of all people that use the coupon on a spreadsheet. This is something no other coupon service offers. Also, the customer is paying you directly, so you get paid right now. We recommend using your social offer about every 2 weeks. About twice a month.